Hello, money and banking students. Dr. Z here. Just wanted to provide you with an update to inform you how we're going to complete our course going forward. As you may have heard, Huntington University is going to be offering online-only classes through the remainder of the semester. So we're going to do an asynchronous format here in which I post mini lectures that are recorded, as well as I'll ask you to present your Financial Fridays and your research paper presentations via video. One thing that I did add to our Moodle Classroom is this Zoom Classroom link. If you ever need to talk to me live, I will be available during virtual office hours, our normal class time, Monday, Wednesday, Friday, 3 to 3:50 Eastern Standard Time. You're not required to be there, but if you ever want to talk to me live about anything in the chapter or anything about the class, I will be available that way. Of course, I'm always available by email as well. Since we are moving to an online format for the rest of the semester, obviously our Chicago trip is off. Additionally, Illinois has banned groups, and so that would be a secondary reason why we would need to cancel the Chicago trip. Moving forward in our new virtual classroom, please pay attention to both your HU email and also to Moodle. I'm going to be making changes to this original course calendar, so please follow Moodle rather than the course calendar going forward. As you can see for this coming week, since spring break is actually extended by 2 days, we won't have anything that you need to do until Wednesday, and these are dates to keep you on track here. Read your chapter by the 25th. Also, I've posted 2 mini videos to cover the material. Please view those on the 25th. Since we're no longer meeting face-to-face, I have changed our class participation points to a discussion forum, and in Moodle, every week there will be a discussion forum in which you will click on this, and then there will be 2 discussion questions. You'll need to post your initial answers to each question by Friday, midnight of each week, Eastern Standard Time, and then 1 response post to one of your classmates by Sunday night for each question in the discussion forum. And each discussion forum question will be worth 5 points, so that's where our 10 points of class participation will go. Also this week, Financial Friday, we're still going to continue with that, but what I'm going to have you do is submit either a video, a PowerPoint, a video, or if you're going to have a guest, a recording of that guest, to me by Friday the 29th, so that's Michael, Tyler, and Sarah. And going forward, you will just post that to the Financial Friday that I will have in Moodle for you. And then also this week, we were going to do research presentations of your research papers when we got back. I'm going to give you until end of day Friday to submit. You can either do narrated PowerPoint, you can do a screencast, or some other type of video presenting your research paper. Follow the same time format that's in the syllabus, but just submit it via video and make sure it's a file format that all of us can open. And Michael, I put you in this group since we missed you. You were sick during your normally scheduled time. So make sure that you submit your research paper presentations to the link in Moodle. So I hope this video is helpful. Again, I will be available via Zoom live Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays from 3 to 3:50 Eastern Standard Time. You can always email me. But hopefully we'll get through the semester successfully, and we'll just all have to adjust to this new format, but I think we can do it, and I look forward to serving you in this way. Hey, stay safe, be careful, and we will talk to you soon.